guys, again, welcome kayo sa another video ko kasi hindi ko natapos yung previous vlog ko. Kasi, dapat may limit akong time na. So today, for today's video, I'll be showing you guys kung anong laman itong bag kong ito. Like this bag. Lalo na modular ngayon. At I find it uneasy for me na hindi segregate yung things ko. Like, it really bothers me. So that's why I really find some bags na something fit sa loob ng bag ko. Before opening this, kasi I find it that other people having bags and the title is what's inside their bag. So I decided to do it also my version as a student thing. Okay, let's go! Ouch! Hindi pa siya open. Kasi sa kabila nito, may alcohol. So anytime I can spray like this. I can sanitize my hands from time to time. Sorry. So nga, is I have here my expanded envelope. This. Ito yung ipinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, nakita niyo naman yung laman nito. So, never mind ito. Next is, I have my laptop here. Kit-kit na. Yeah. Also, my folders kung saan ito kakapal, guys. As in, I swear. Ang dami kasi, like, I don't know kung may natutunan pa ako. Pero, feel ko meron naman.
Stop it. Get some help.
Kahit paano, may natutunan naman ako. Pero sa lagay na ito, yung minamind ko na lang, sige, answer ako ng answer para naman may isubmit ako para hindi kulang yung requirements. That's one na yung iniisip ko. Pero nung first semester, I really cried a lot, especially on our pre-calculus and I forgot, general mathematics kasi I'm trying to work hard on it na to answer it all and understand it all, pero to mind na ang dami-dami pala ng lessons and it is really tough to understand kasi walang teacher na nag-guide and yeah. So that's why I really enjoyed this modular naman kahit paano kasi I'm the only one who controls my time. At least I wasn't able to have an effort na mag-wake up early in the morning and go to school. So that's why I really segregate my subjects. Kasi second sem na ngayon. I have here my pre-dev and hope to. Yeah, these are all. I have here my UCSP and reading and writing. This one is my practical research one kasi midterm pa lang naman. I don't know when yung finals. Statistics and probability. My general chemistry one. Our basic calculus. Kahit paano na-gets ko rin yung math. I enjoyed math na these days. Especially, I have YouTube to guide me. And pagbasa. Also, I have here notebooks. I'm using notebooks, especially that I need my general mathematics, statistics, basic and pre-calculus to write in here all the topics that I learned from our modules from first sem to second sem. And I have here my notebook for our research. At least I grasp somehow kasi I know research is really important, especially na, college life is really tough knowing na a lot of research case studies. And I have here my table of elements for our chemistry for sure. Yeah. And also, I really can't forget this reminder notebook. I really need this one, especially na I'm really forgetting things. Even little things, I had to write it kasi makakalimutin ako. So I need to write it all here just to remind me na I have to finish this kapag hindi ko matapos sa isang araw. So far so good kasi malapit na ding maubos. Saktuhan lang sa SEM na to. So, empty na. And that is all na inside this laptop bag ko. Kasi ang liit-liit ng laptop ko at saka nakakasya rin yung lahat ko ng module. Kasi I'm an kasi super neat and tidy type of person. And I hate mess. Somehow I really hate mess. That defines me. And also, I won't forget this water bottle, Flask. I forgot the term. Okay, because I need to stay hydrated. Because I'm also writing my modules, also to learn. So, everything depends on my water kasi if I get dehydrated, I get dizzy also. Especially when we are stressed, guys, you need to drink water. I'm really being an influence here. So, stay hydrated. Mga 3 refill nito ng bottle sa isang araw yung kaya ko lang kasi hindi ko na maubos ng ganun. Maybe mauubos ko nito kasi kapag uhaw na uhaw ako, I really drink a lot, like isang drink lang, nakaka-half ako or more than ubos na nga, kaya nag-refill agad ako. So that's all. I really have to fix this. Salok naman, guys. Look. I'm mess again. Nag-mess na naman ako ulit. So, I have to fix it. So, guys. Ayan lang po yung aking video for today. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching my video. Nauuhaw ako, Madge. Kasi kanina pa akong daldal. Nabubulol ako sa Tagalog, so I'm really sorry, guys. So, that's why. Natulala ako. I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching again. And I'm looking forward to entertain you with my more upcoming videos. I hope na sa akin na videos, more and more improvement pa kasi I'm really getting the point na I'm not a professional vlogger and I don't have many viewers, but I'm really looking forward to it. The process is still there. I know that, and we all have the chance to grow pa, and we're just growing, guys, so it's okay to fail for the first time, second try, third try, and I know that there's a process in it. So thank you guys for watching kasi it's around 12 o'clock, midnight na pala. It's already midnight and I'm still awake kasi kakatapos ko lang nga ng scrapbook ko. So, see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Good night. Classes all ng